Um, Basically, what I would share, one of the most important things about healing is connection with God. Divine power, spirit, Allah, Hashem, Adonai, our creator, whatever it is that feels right for their hearts. And that is really the biggest thing, is about being able to be connected to something bigger than yourself. And to be able to, the difference that I was taught in Sufism was the difference between a temporary healing and a more permanent healing is working with the issues of your heart, working with the wounds and the places where we thought that we were separate from God, and working with that, and from that place being able to go deeper into where that really came from. And most of the time, a lot has happened either from our lineages, and one of the beautiful things is that what we were taught was that when you work with healing, you're not only doing healing for yourself, but you're also working with 7 generations forward and 7 generations back. So when you do your work, you do your healing work, you're making a difference for your generation and past generations.
So do you do spiritual healing with non-Muslims also?
Yes, I do. Yes, I do.
Muslims and non-Muslims?
Yes, yes. You know, you work with people to where they're at. That's one of the things that I learned, is that you don't give meat to babies.
Okay.
So you
like
kind
that.
of work with people, you meet them where
I like
they're
that.
at.
You do not give meat
No.
to babies.
You can try, but they'll
like
choke.
that. Yes.
You know?
Because they are not yet ready
Right.
to chew meat.
Right.
They don't even have the teeth to chew
Right.
the meat.
Right.